Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make this onion and pepper flavored puff puff. If it is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Victoria. To my returning subscribers, you're all blessed. Thank you for always coming back to watch, like, comment and sharing my videos. Please, if you like what you see, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and be a part of this beautiful family. So guys, look at how this puff puff is looking. This is puff puff to another level. So make sure to stay tuned and watch till the end so that you see the whole process of how I achieved this. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing this video. I just thought to give a shout out to people that have been supporting my channel. The shout out today goes to Cooking with F4. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Not only do you watch, but you comment as well. So guys, here are the ingredients. Here we have self-rising flour and here we have nutmeg. We have 3 spoons of honey. We have hot chili pepper, habanero pepper. Here we also have onion. We have 3 eggs and finally vanilla flavor. Please note that the honey is optional. You can always substitute the honey with sugar if you are not avoiding sugar. For me, for years now, I've not eaten sugar. That is why if you've noticed, I always use honey instead of sugar because the honey is assumed to be more mild than, sugar. So guys, let's get started. Here, I've just added a cup of flour. This is self-rising flour. So in total, I'll be using 2 cups of self-rising flour. So I've just added the nutmeg and I'll just sieve this into the bowl. So now I'm gonna go in with 3 eggs. Here we have honey. I'm just gonna put everything that I've showed you guys into the bowl and simply mix. Okay, it's so easy to make. Next, I'm gonna go in with a cup of milk. I didn't show this earlier. Sorry guys. And finally, here we have vanilla extract. So once that is added, I'll just mix everything together. So guys, I'll be leaving you guys to watch this to the end. It's so easy to follow. If you want to follow along with this recipe, it is so simple and easy. Thank you once again for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to Victoria's Kitchen and join this beautiful family, okay? We make delicious recipe here and you will not be disappointed. With that, stay blessed wherever you are. Keep walking by faith. Know that Jesus Christ loves you. He died for you and he wants you to live the best of life you can. All you simply have to do is to cast yourself to him and accept him as your Lord and personal Savior. And that's all. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next one. Bye and stay safe wherever you are.